He didn't want to start. You have to think that soon it's going to be Rosh Hashanah. Rosh Hashanah is around the corner. Now is the time to think, what are you asking from God? What do you want from God? What do you want? So everybody, Rahman Islam, comes like a holiday, I mentioned like in December, they write a list what they want from Santa Claus, what they want to bring, all these types of things. What do they want to get? A shopping list, what do they want to get? You want to know what are you asking from Hashem? What do you want from Hashem? I wanted to get out paper. We have the time to get pens. What do you really want? Rosh Hashanah comes. When you get married, children, more children, want to be happy, want to be healthy. Now we list down 10 things. What more do you want? I say you write the list again. I'll give you another sheet. I give you a third sheet. I give you a fourth sheet. I give you a fifth sheet. Until you reach the point where you stop. But then I come in. Okay? That's what I don't know. What do you want? A little trick to the story, I can't tell you yet. But, right now, I'll give you a sheet. Right now. You only write out one page. If you really write it, what do you want? What do you want? It's very important. You have a little secret here I want to explain to you. What do you want? What do you want? Husband should holler you, they should love you, they nice you. What do you want? What do you want? I don't want to see your list, I'm not interested. I don't know what to do with that. I wish I had pens. I went the other way, it was a little bit crowded, I went the other side.
But each one has the pen. Yeah, we can, I have papers.
I have papers.
I have a pen. I have a pen.
You want people in here?
want
Whoever's
something for other people.
Whoever's here.
No, I'm saying you just want what we want for ourselves or what we want?
What do you want here?
Well, that's what you want.
What do you want here? I really can answer everybody, but I have to limit it because I want to show you. I want to show you something. Okay? Very simple thing. Let's write down. Who needs it?
I want us a white paper.
Here, write down what you want from Hashem for you, for Rosh Hashanah. What do you want? You want to write on both sides, it's also good. I want more paper. Maybe shut this off or no. List again. Let's stop here. Let's number the list, your top priority, which is the most important, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, up there, 10. What is the most important thing? The all of what do you really want? Give a number. Sim, Mispar, מה הכי חשוב? תכתבי, שני, שלישי, מה הכי חשוב? Write down on the list, number 1 to 10, what's the most precious?
Okay.
Okay, let's do the next step. Why haven't you got it until now? You blame yourself, blame God. Why don't you get it till now? What do you need special? I don't know about them. What do you need special to get number 1 to 5? What special you have to do to get number 1 to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one you have? Take the first 5. ככה 5 הראשונות. גם מדוע לא קיבלת את זה היום? אשמתך, לא אשמתך.
אבל שלא קיבלנו?
עכשיו, מה את מבקשת? שאלתי מבקשת, כמו שלך לחיות, בסדר? אז אני קיבלתי עד היום. מה שעשת, כן, קיבל, כן או קיבל. Do you pray for every day? This what you mean? The main question, why this year do you think Hashem's going to send it to you? Why this year Hashem should send it to you? Why should Hashem?
He doesn't have to.
Well,
He doesn't have to.
okay, why did he give you a will? Could somebody help you get it? And how can you get that person together? You have to do it yourself or it's up to Hashem. Explain it. Explain it. Is it up to herself or the people or to Hashem? What did she do? Now, let's look at what you ask for. Is it physical? Is it spiritual? Where is he to talk about? It's something you should get, you didn't get, you're supposed to get, you don't get. Look at your list and break it down to what you ask for, those 5 things. Physical, spiritual, is it, are you with me, sir? I think some of these is there. Now we're ready for the story a little bit.
Everything's spiritual.
I know what you wrote there.
I mean, if you ask for
Did
physical things...
I read what you wrote?
No, but if you ask for physical things in order for spiritual... So everything's spiritual.
You also should
Why do you want health? You want... So you can... it's spiritual.
You're afraid of pain.
No, but I'm saying it. You should be.
Okay, yeah. I'm not saying it. I don't know what you asked.
No, I'm saying it.
Yeah.
The goals are all spiritual.
If you have already, you want more of it. Why should God give you more? Now, why should Hashem give it to you more? You have it, or why should He give it to you? What's Shiur? What reason? And I went to the main problem. How this Rosh Hashanah you feel, what extra steps you do this Rosh Hashanah you didn't do last year to get these things or things you were going to do this year? What special things you're going to do this year you didn't do last year? This is what you got to do, right? This is what you got to do. So what you going to do, right? What are you going to do? You mean do nothing? You got to cry out to Hashem Rachmanis. You understand? You got to go there. I didn't look at anybody.
No, I just remember that I missed other Rosh
Huh?
When you bless Rosh Hashanah, you feel it all the year.
Right.
It's true.
How you get this Rosh Hashanah? Different. That. I want to take a little example.
Finish writing?
Yeah. No, we have another thing. The basic thing. Let's take the example from a man's point of view. Isha Shera Shemasta Kolba. How we're going to increase that this year? You have Shmiya, you have Hakshava, you have with the physical ear, you have the spiritual ear, the caring. How do you get Shemasta? The Manshan Shlomo drew me a picture. You saw the picture, famous picture. There were 3 dolls. 3 dolls. They looked the same. And he asked everybody, tell me the difference between these 3 dolls. Here's the answer to them. So, and nobody could say, look the same. So until one man came, he said, I'll tell you what. He took a reed or
and read, and he put it to the ear, and went from one ear to the other. The other one from the ear to the mouth, the other one to the ear to the heart. Some people listen, goes from one ear to the other, goes down. The other person goes from the ear to the mouth. You tell them something right away, the neighbor hears, the phone goes, everybody hears. And you have the ear to the heart, and tell it over. Which one are you? Okay, we don't answer. Yeah? Let me see. So then you say, look, one person is like a mirror, one is like a matzema, one is like haritat, each one is different. So what do you do? What do they exercise? So we try to exercise shmiyah. So we say over the pasuk. Take any pasuk. And you say it over one time, and you listen, and then you tell me what you feel. You say that's that pasuk again a second time, what you feel, and a third time, and a fourth time. Until that, you learn that if the problem is shmiyah, that you have to correct. You learn to hear. The first time until you learn to begin to hear what is said. If you try it out, and experiment, you see it works. Good one? Take any sentence, anything, and whatever you take, if you repeat it over again, you listen deeper and deeper, and you hear a different thing. You want to try it out?
The first picture of the Indian it goes to the other side.
Oh, the one that goes out here.
In 1 year, no difference.
No difference.
In 1 year, after that.
1 year, no difference. Because you're talking to a wall. You have a ear that goes out of his mouth, you have a ear that goes into the heart. The question is the action that you do, what's taking place? You pray. You pray with your heart, or your being. Listen to your husband all the way, partly. You do chesed, partially, totally, more. Everything has qualities. If we talk in terms of schar v'onesh, reward and punishment, which happens on Rosh Hashanah. So God has to be able to judge. Judge means he can what? Give it a number, a quantity, measure it. Okay, what he can do? Whatever you do, chesed, yeah, how much? You're kind, how much? So God gives a number. The number you get, it's hollow. And you don't try it by measurement. So you have to take whatever you want, and you measure it. You measure it. How much, how little. You measure whatever you want. And so you get it, what you do. Let's say you're a businesswoman, and you have a meeting with somebody to sell, let's say, pottery or whatever you sell. Dresses, wigs, you understand? So before you sell, you prepare a speech. Before you sell, you prepare your product. You go to the customer to buy it. Now start selling it. You talk the best you can. So that's all your feelings and emotions in it. So now comes Rosh Hashanah. And you're asking God, help me, give me. You have to plan what you're going to do. How you're going to speak better, how you're going to pray better, how you're going to ask HaShem better. How you're going to open up your heart. Like a businesswoman, before you go, and then you prepare. You prepare yourself. You want to go to a wedding, what do? You buy clothes, you get hair, you look nice, look perfume. Because you look nice, right? So now you go in front of HaShem, you're asking HaShem, you got to prepare. How are you preparing yourself spiritually? Oh, that's HaShem. You say, here HaShem, I changed myself. What are you going to tell me? Come on, HaShem, what are you going to come? What are you going to say? You call in, you say the prayers, what are you doing? Well, what happened? How do you prepare yourself for that? So the Svardim prepares 3 days, 6 days, 3 days, a few days. Each brother works 30 days. They go to shofar. What's the purpose of the shofar? They go in, they're excited. You know, there's no hadin to start preparing and changing yourself for Rosh Hashanah. You're a better person. Now comes Rosh Hashanah, you come in, that's okay, what do you do? You're going to have this appointment. You know, it's Rosh Hashanah, what do you do? What do you do something? What do you want to show me? You want to show me to do? Change yourself and you have to believe I can change my past record. What do you do? How do you do? How are you preparing yourself? How are you going to look? What do you do? Well, that is serious problem. Someone's going to visit you. Oh, you get food. Hashem is visiting Hashem now. What do you show? Where's your merchant? My good deeds. Show Hashem your good deeds. What are they? What do they look like? They're clean, they're nice, they're dirty. They're complete, less complete. I want to show you good. You have to make a cheshbon and nefesh yourself without your husband, right? It's on yourself. Yourself. So when you're being judged on your own, not your husband, not your children, but yourself. You get the merits of your husband, you get the merits of your children. But you yourself have to face God alone. her husband, Rabbi, friend, alone? Because they help their marriage. So how are you going to now alone face your marriage? And it looks at you this moment, looks right through you, sees everything. What are you doing now? How do you do that? It's a very scary day. We have confidence that we're going to succeed and win, but you have to clean your act up before Rosh Hashanah. You got to get on the phone and do what? Tell your friend, Yeshiva, nice to catch up your whole friend. That's when you write a letter, what do you do? When you write a letter, what do you do? You write Shiva Chasim Torah. Like everybody you write now, what do you write? Shiva Chasim Torah. You write a New Year card. I'm thinking of you. Okay. That's a really thing. Rosh Hashanah is coming over you. Have to care of your clothing, the food, the menus, the service. And also yourself, you have to get that. How are you going to get ready? How are you going to face your feelings? What are you asking for? What do you want? How are you going to change? What are you going to do? Very simple thing, everybody has to do it. I have to do it. You have to learn that today. What? So maybe for the preparation is more, instead of what am I going to, how am I going to daven, what time am I going to have, all these things, because we haven't got a key, because you have to spend time. Maybe the preparation is how you're going to, keep calm and you're not going to get upset, and you're going to have a good attitude, even though the kids are, I don't see that. You're going to sell that, you're going to be able to, because that's a expectation you have of yourself, and what you want, the more things you get, and the sections you'll have a good daven, you'll have a nice meal, you'll have a good time to get, you'll have a good time, how good food you get, we have the kids to learn everything. So that's the big, so it's everything, how you sell that, how you, the kids learn everything. It's